So everybody introduce themselves again.
Let me first.
Nah, can she introduce herself?
Go ahead.
Okay. Introduce her channel.
We're going this way. Everybody say their thing one by one. Or just, have something, like, when you feel like someone's about to talk, just hold yourself.
I don't think that's possible for us.
No, but can we introduce
What's poppin', everybody? Welcome to Oledo.
Don't. If you're going to say my name wrong,
How you gonna say it? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, it's Oledo here again. I have some lovely ladies with me today.
My name is Makora.
My name is Aisha. Call me Aisha.
Masu.
Ami. Maimuna.
And today we'll be doing a Would You Rather tag, So it's going to be a few questions, not too much, because it will take all day if we do all these questions. So we're just going to get right into it, okay? So the first question is, would you rather lose all your money and valuables or all of the pictures you have ever taken?
Pictures. Those pictures.
You rather lose all your pictures?
Yeah.
No,
but pictures get you money.
Even get like baby pictures.
Those pictures could go. All your money.
Yeah, money and valuables. Yeah,
right? Those pictures. I'll put those pictures away for you. Like,
you can go and take pictures.
Yeah, no, you can't take some pictures over,
all
bro.
of the pictures you have.
Your baby pictures,
but your valuables.
And your money, that's the problem.
No, yeah, I'll definitely say I'd rather lose all my pictures. That's true. Yeah. But that's sad, though. I would cry for that.
I would.
And then, I'll get over it, because I still have money. Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself?
10 minutes into my own future. Yeah, I don't really care about anybody else.
I really don't care about people.
Yeah. My own future.
Yeah, I see my own future too.
I mean, I know.
But now, what if it's a bad future?
Yeah. But what if it's somebody
regardless, you have to go through it. Wait, is it only one person?
But I feel like it's better to know once you're there than to look at it.
Yeah.
That's like psychic. You're gonna be like, damn, you gonna live your whole life through that now.
Now you're gonna be mad, like paranoid, wondering
that's true.
Maybe you can
somehow avoid it.
But you can't.
You can't. Straight.
Yeah. But I feel like you avoid it is gonna create more problems.
You can start mentally preparing.
Yeah. No, I don't think I'm mentally prepared for that.
But you're gonna go crazy thinking about it every second.
Probably neither, but like.
Right. You have to choose.
If you have to choose.
If I see someone else's future, I'm telling them. I'm like, hey, this is what I saw.
Nah, so you're gonna lose something. I don't know if I'm doing that. Oh, that's good. If it's something bad, at least you could comfort them.
Yeah.
Without telling them. Right. And then when it happens, you prepared yourself.
So maybe I'll choose somebody else's.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I think 10 minutes.
I still stick with my own.
No, I'm too scared to find out. Even if it's a good thing, I want to wait. I want to be surprised. The next question is, would you rather find your true love or a suitcase with $5 million inside?
$5 million.
Personally, I feel like I'll find my true love. My true love has to have money, so.
If your true love is broke, you're going to be mad, Shannon.
This is my true love. I only can love someone that I know I will be financially stable with. So that's my true love.
$5 million.
I agree very much. I would rather have my true love because I feel like you'll just be so happy. And like when you have money, I mean, money can get you anything, but I feel like money can buy you a little bit of happiness.
Money can buy you a lot of happiness.
I think that money can buy happiness.
Temporary happiness. Temporary happiness.
Yeah, it's temporary. I feel like at the end, you're going to want somebody to be with. You're going to want somebody to love.
Because what's the point of having $5 million? You can't. What you going to do?
Share it.
You're going to be on vacation by yourself.
You could be investing in some stuff,
But that money, once it's done.
Oh yeah.
But then all these people with more money, they be killing themselves.
Right. Look at that.
Exactly. Rich people are the most unhappy people on earth.
Exactly.
Yeah. You could keep your $5 million.
Okay, if you love someone, money's not gonna matter.
I think I want my $5 million.
No, like I would love somebody, but I just know that he can't be broke.
Right. I won't be
because that's not true love. Like, let's be honest. No, but seriously, come on. Who's marrying somebody broke?
Yeah,
let me hear it.
We not.
Exactly.
My mother would value me once.
Exactly. First of all, at the wedding, when you look mad nice, you're gonna be like, "But you marrying a broke guy."
But you can't look nice if you marrying a broke nigga. He's gonna give you cloth and.
I don't care how broke my man is. I will make sure I spend all my money on my wedding dress. Like, seriously.
No, he's buying my wedding.
If it's that bad, though. If it's that bad.
I wouldn't even get to the wedding. Because I'm not marrying you.
That's a fact. I wouldn't say yes to the engagement.
Point blank.
At least we gotta be making the same amount of money. At least.
No, I want you to make more.
I'm saying at least we gotta be making the same amount of money.
I want to make more than him.
But is that important? That's another. You guys care about your man making more money than you or equal?
I feel like my money is my money though, and your money is your money. Whatever you make, whatever. Even if you make less than me, just hold your responsibility.
Right.
As you pay your rent, do whatever.
Exactly.
Don't watch my money. I don't watch your money.
Wait, so y'all gonna do that half and half shit? Like
No,
when you get married?
no.
So
You
what
have to have. You pay the rent. Period.
Oh, alright. That's what I'm saying.
I feel like you pay the bills. I take care of the house.
Oh, okay. That's what I was getting
I feel like your husband is not. I feel like your husband is not your roommate. Like that's your roommate. You paying half, doing half on the house chores. Like that's how niggas be arguing. Nah, you pay the rent. I take care of the house. That's it. I could go live with my dad. He pay my rent. So.
I just prefer to save all the drama, just make more than me. I'm still successful. I'll still be 6 figures.
Right.
Maybe 6 figures or 7. And I'll be good.
Right.
We gotta be good.
Okay.
I'm like, don't be broke. That's it. Simple.
Like I want to say, I want to wake up and be like, let's travel.
And even if you
No
don't have
problem
most money,
with it.
be responsible with your money.
Exactly.
That's also
That's
important. Managing your money. That's so important. Next question is: would you rather be married to a 10 with a bad personality or a 6 with an amazing personality?
A 6 all the way.
I don't really pay attention to looks either.
Oh.
It's a lot about personality.
Yeah, I don't mind like a guy that's not that.
Oh, I don't know about what that.
A 10 with a conceited ass personality, that's just like, no.
Honestly,
charming.
If I'm gonna marry you, you have to be attractive.
You can have a bad
If I'm
person.
gonna sleep in a bed with you every
That's
night,
what I'm
you have to be
saying.
attractive.
But the thing with
That's
me though,
important.
with personality, that adds up the other 4 points. Because when you're like, you cannot be that attractive at first, but if you're talking to me, making me laugh.
You wake up in the middle of the night.
Like if you're making me laugh, you're already jumped up 5 points.
If you can make me laugh.
Would you rather be born again in a totally different life, or born again with all the knowledge you have now? In the same.
Born again in a
With
different life.
born again with all the knowledge I have
Being
now.
born in a totally different life might be lit.
That'd be lit.
Yeah,
Shit.
because the grass is not always green on the other
Kylie
side.
Jenner's
And, like, I
daughter.
don't feel like I'm at a bad place. So and it, like I could always work from where I am now. I don't know where I'm gonna be if I'm born again, different place. Like I'm not trying to
Wait, you saying that like
So either
you have the knowledge you have right now?
yeah, so you're the same person. Mimuna look just exactly the same. You just know all the mistakes you did, and you're trying to avoid that.
Oh,
shit.
that's fire.
Wait,
I'll do
and
that.
Or you're gonna be a different person. You may be
I'd rather
Caucasian,
just
Spanish, a different life.
I'd rather be me and redo my mistakes.
They do exactly. I'll do that
fire.
too.
Yeah, I could be.
Cause my mistakes are
Honestly,
stupid. I could have easily avoided them.
Yeah.
But I was mad nosy.
I would
Curious.
I would like to be born with the knowledge I have now. But honestly, if I was gonna be born a white rich male, I would definitely switch.
I'm not even gonna
Yeah, definitely.
No, I want to be black.
Yeah,
I want to be black.
I love being black.
That's a white rich male.
I love Beyonce's daughter.
You living life. You don't gotta worry about nothing.
I love being a woman. I love being black.
I know.
I love being black too. I love being a woman. But if my life could be easier for me,
I would want to do this again.
I feel like
I have a question, guys. Would you rather have a guy that has 4 baby mamas,
No.
but
Finish.
but you know you're the last one,
No.
and he treats you mad good?
No.
You're the one type.
Damn.
No.
Can I finish?
Can she finish the question?
Yes. Or
This is the last one.
you have a guy who can't conceive, but he also treats you mad good.
I want to be the 4 baby mama.
He can't conceive. You can't
I
have
want
kids with
children.
him.
Yeah, I want the 4 baby
Shit, that
mamas.
is
Wait.
That
But
is
I want kids. I'd rather
Like,
have
if he can't conceive at all, like
Nah, it's done. It's done. He is
I'd
not.
rather have kids than a man.
And that's because of his own health problem.
Yeah.
All his own house. He can't have no kids.
I bet I'll do the baby mother.
He
Yeah.
also treats you good.
I'll do the baby
Or
mother.
the 4 baby mamas. You got-
Adoption it is.
No, I want to breed
I want
my
my
own
child.
Let me tell you why I would.
And y'all
I'm scared of
married.
birth, bro. Let me tell you why I would say no baby mamas, because first of all, I can conceive perfectly fine. We can just do sperm, but I'll find a man that's just like him,
that's
dark
not
skin,
yours.
got it all together. Put that in me. He has to be okay with
That's
that.
not his though.
Show me the adoption papers, foster care, show me anything. Because
I want to
honestly,
be pregnant.
I don't want no, especially this day and age, this baby mama drama, I cannot, I'm not doing it. I'm not
You
doing
could
it.
do. He could do it.
Amy, what you
I would
saying?
love another kid like as my own too. Like I don't care.
Me personally, I would be the 4th baby mama because I would literally rather have a kid than have a man. But like both, that's some shit. Cool. I like 2, and then I would just take I would just basically make love the other kids as if they were my own. And I feel like if you don't
Or the other
partake,
kids?
all the other kids. Mom, like people do it.
You will still deal with all of that.
And then honestly, you
jealousy
only
also-
partake in the baby mama drama if you choose to.
Exactly.
You could
ignore it.
Take
it.
Like,
I'm sure you're ignoring.
The thing about me is though, I love like me being the #1 priority in life. So just to know that he has to figure out how to combine all of us on holidays and birthdays and
You
this.
can never be your husband's priority in your life.
If you have a kid.
No, but my
have kids.
I understand
His
that.
kids should be, you know, the
But
priority.
then now the things you're thinking, like he has 4 other sets of children. Like he has 4 baby mamas, 4 other kids. He has to worry about.
Wait, 3, because you're the 4th one, right?
yeah.
No, 4 baby mamas, so you're the 5th one.
Yeah, the 5th one.
You should say you have 4. That's a lot. And then now you have to ask yourself, why do you have so many baby mamas? Why is it not working out with all
Maybe
these 4?
he didn't find you the right one.
What
You
is
can't blame him.
But you're the one though. You're the one. That's
You're the last one. That's why you're the last
You
one.
believe it, he believes it.
I can't be number 5. All I know is to be number 1, so it's so hard to go there. Thank you for watching my video. This was a very spicy talk.
Like, comment,
all their information will be down below, so definitely support the fam. And toodaloo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe.
Hit that bell button, stay notified. To her channel, you already know.
Right.
I love it. All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Jombo, 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 back no back for you, Father is violent.